Hello, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to Gul Knowledge Hub. Today is the 19th day of Spoken English Challenge. And before discussing the two magical rule, 5 phrasal verbs, just let me ask you a few things. How to answer these things in English, how to answer or how to ask these things in English, how to say them in English. For example, सोच कर बताना, मुझे मिलकर जाना, मोबाइल चार्ज करके जाना, खाना खा के जाना, चाय पी कर जाना, मुझे बता कर जाना, फ़ोन करके जाना. Now, what should be the structure? Because these are the super important daily use sentences and we say them many times in our one day or in our daily routine. So what should be the strongest rule to follow? And the rule is very important. Verb first form plus after, and after you have to do ing form. Verb first form plus after and plus ing form and object. Quite simple, quite simple. For example, सोच कर बताना. Tell after thinking. Tell after thinking. खाना खाकर जाना. Go after having food or meal. फ़ोन करके जाना. Go after calling. मोबाइल चार्ज करके जाना. Go after charging your mobile. चाय पी कर जाना. Go after taking tea. मुझे बता के जाना. Tell me before going or leave before or after telling me. Leave after telling me. So these are the structure which you have to apply because these are the very common things we say after. You have to do this. मोबाइल फ़ोन चार्ज करके जाना, खाना खा के जाना, मुझे बता के जाना, कॉल करके जाना, सोच कर बताना. So you have to say बताना, सोच कर, बोल कर, मिल कर, चार्ज करके, खाना खा कर. So the word कर and first form you have to apply ing form. सोच कर thinking, खाना खा कर having after having meal, बता कर after telling, मोबाइल चार्ज करके after charging the mobile. So very simple structure. Go plus after plus ing form and object. And the second structure is even more important. And how it is important, just visualize by Urdu translation. क्या सोचना है, क्या करना है, क्या खाना है, क्या खरीदना है, क्या कहना है, क्या पूछना है, क्या बताना है. So these are also very common things which we want to ask, but how to ask? Very important, very useful. Second rule is what to plus first form. What to plus first form. For example, क्या करना है? What to do. क्या खाना है? What to eat. क्या देखना है? What to see. क्या देना है? What to give. क्या कहना है? What to say. क्या खरीदना है? What to buy. क्या सोचना है? What to think. क्या पूछना है? What to ask. And क्या बताना है? What to tell. So you have to produce at least 10 sentences out of these two structures, two golden rules. Now we are coming towards the vocabulary section and I have come up with one problem solving technique. The phrasal verbs related to problem solving. For example, the first phrasal verb is to figure out. To figure out. It means to understand or solve something. It took us a few hours to figure out why the printer was not working. It took us a few hours to figure out why the printer was not working. Now the second phrasal verb is to work out. To work out. It means to find the solution. We are still trying to work out how much the project will cost. We are still trying to figure out or to work out how much the project will cost. Now the third one is to deal with. To deal with is to talk, take action to manage a difficult situation. For example, she is used to deal with the difficult customers in her job. She is used to deal with the difficult customers in her job. And the fourth one is to talk through. Talk through. It means to discuss something in detail to understand or solve. It means to discuss something in detail to understand and solve. For example, before we finalize the contract, I think we should discuss or we should talk through each section carefully. Before we finalize the contract, I think we should talk through each section carefully. And the last one is to sort out. To sort out. And now it is your turn to produce the sentence of this and as well as the sentences related to other phrasal verbs, because they are adding beauty to your language. So with this positive note that you are going to attend the 20th and the 30th lesson of Spoken English Challenge, because these rules are super important for your spoken English, because these are related to day-to-day conversation. So with this positive note, I certainly end this video. Till the next video, stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.